So today is the 16th, and Bank Nifty is opening 139 points in the positive. Yesterday we've seen a very good fall in Bank Nifty, and now it's approximately opening somewhere around this area if you take it in the futures. So there should be one rise before it falls. So I'm not sure if it can come to the VWAP, but it will be somewhere here is what I'm expecting. But this is yesterday's VWAP, and we can see how the market takes a reaction from there. I'll be concentrating on 43,500 PE, which is currently at 288. Just taking this as it goes. I placed two orders, 240 and 241. It's quickly reversing. It's going into a bullish candle, so I'll see if I can get an exit. I've reduced 100 quantity. I'll just see how the market reacts from here. I'm exiting this as well. I didn't want this to go below 250, and it was going 35. Let's see the open and high. This is going well. But this 360 zone is a anchored VWAP zone, so just waiting out to see how it reacts at that point. Don't have much open and highs, but I'm expecting one fall. Also have 43,700 on my watch list. Thinking this can go up, but let's see how it reacts. I'll take it after the candle close, because everything is in green. The 5-minute candle is convincing to go on the long side. I'm just waiting for one small dip to take an entry. Taken at 380. The 5-minute candle is good. I've exited at 380 because I'm not seeing the move that is expected. I'll be comfortable taking another entry once it breaks the current day's high. So waiting it out. On the open and high side, there are not many, but 43,500 can be one thing we can see if it can come down quickly. It's coming down with low volume. Waiting for this 5-minute close, it seems to be convincing on the upside, but I'll only take it once it crosses the day's high. Taken at 375, still not convincing enough. Nope. I've exited at 370. The move is not convincing on the upside. I'll wait it out. This trade can be good if it crosses 380. That's what I'm looking at. Let's see for this 5-minute candle. It's coming down with descending volume candles. That's one reason why I'm still waiting on the long side, and it hasn't also broken the VWAP for the day. So it's between yesterday's VWAP and today's VWAP. Either has to cross the day's high or break the VWAP and go low. But since most of the banks are in the positive, expecting it to make a high until this point, let's see how it turns out. It looks bullish even in the 5-minute candle. Taking it at 373. I've reduced the quantity. I'm not sure of the up move. I'll only take once it crosses the 380 level. I'll be a little cautious here because the move is not happening with volume. So I'm just trading with small quantity. So this seems to be promising enough. But 380, I'll just wait for the 380 to cross. As per price action, it is breaking the day's high. All the banks are positive, but there's no momentum. So I'll just have to trade with the least quantity possible since my first 3 trades went wrong. It's consolidating well. If it crosses this and closes above 380, then we can see a good move. This is convincing me to take a trade because the previous candle closed with good volume. Just waiting for the 370, 380 level to cross. Just this level. That is my trigger point. If it crosses this, then I can go confidently. I have to get at 386. I think I got it at a high price. It's coming closer to yesterday's VWAP, so I'll have to be a little cautious. Exit some at 390. I have 500 quantity left. This is the zone I don't want to trade against. It looks bullish, but taking yesterday's market condition, I'm not sure if it can go higher in a big time. I'm just expecting it to touch this 43,800. I've exited somewhere at 390. I just have the last 250 quantity left. Because after the day's high break, there's no momentum. Although we've seen two consecutive candles. So I'm back to 370 level. It's okay, I wouldn't be too greedy on this. I'll make an exit at 380. It's moving quicker. Came out of this trade 373. The momentum is not convincing on the upside, so that's all right. Let's see if it breaks this level and goes up, then we can take a trade on the upside. But the RSI is not cooling off, and it seems to look bullish. I'll wait for the 5-minute candle. I think I can take this trade. Taking this at 292. It's trying to inch up higher. Again, there's a lack of momentum. If it crosses 400, then the move can be really good. I'm expecting another 10-20 points easily. 390 is the current high. 394. Let's see if it crosses that. It's going up with good volume. The delta on this is 0.7, but the move is very slow. Waiting for it to cross 400. Placed an order for 395 for half of the quantity. It's not triggering as well. Nope. Follow-ups are not good. It's moving with very thin volumes. I've exited at cost. Entry was at 392, exited at 391. So that's fine. I'll take a trade once I get a confident move on the upside or the downside. So again, back to this 292 level, but only if there's momentum I'll go for the trade, or else I'll wait out. Because there is this yesterday's VWAP here. Also, the RSI is not cooling off, staying in the zone for a long time. Trending OI is bullish. The put side is having good OI built up, and a good fall in the price as well. But a 40% decrease here and 28% increase here is saying that the calls are not rising as much as how the puts are falling. So that's where the momentum is lacking. Let's see. The 5 minutes is turning out to be good. Bought it at 396. Let's see if there's a small momentum, you can capture it. Model the trade until the RSI cools off. I wouldn't be comfortable. It's still in the 65 zone. It has to come somewhere below for me to be convincing to take a trade. So I'm out. I've already taken too many trades on this. So I'll wait it out. This candle turned out to be a good one, although it came out with low volume. This is turning out to be a good one. Taken it at 402. Let's see if it has the momentum to go up. Because the 5 minute and the 15 minute both are showing a good up move. The 5-minute candle is closing well. Let's see if the next candle can also be a bullish one. That can give us probably like 10-20 points. Waiting to book half of the quantity. The data is bullish. Market is looking good, but we're not seeing any fall in a while. So that is one thing. So I'll have to be cautious with my exits. I can't hold this for too long. I'll probably exit some at 415 if it comes there. Or it doesn't look like it's going to come. But ఒక్క స్పైక్ వెళ్తాదని అనిపిస్తుంది. Please an exit for 415. Did not trigger that. Nope. I think I'll just take the 10 points for now. I booked half of the quantity. It's way too grinding. It's not moving like planned. So I'll have to be extra cautious in this strike, especially since I'm doing deep in the money. But it was a proper VWAP resistance trade. Okay, looks like it's again falling out. We keep an exit for 410. If it comes and triggers that, done. Out of this trade. We're at minus 3,500. But yeah, we'll see if we can get another opportunity sometime later. Taking this at 425, expecting a small scalp, nothing more. Purely because of how HDFC Bank is reacting. There's no conviction in this to go up. Exited same at cost. So 54,000 call is something that I'm looking at. And I wouldn't be trading that because it's too far OTM as of now. I've taken a trade at 432. The only reason being the 5-minute candle here has taken a proper support from the super trend. I'll just have a 10-point stop loss. If it doesn't work, I'll exit the trade. This will be the last trade for the day. If it doesn't work out, I'll exit. Just exit some quantity here. Not comfortable holding it for long. I've exited some quantity at cost. I have 250 with me. Just waiting for this 5-minute candle to close. If it does close in green, then I'll look for an exit. Still in red. My entry was 432. Since the overall texture of the market is bullish, I've taken this trade. My last trade was at 1030. So I'm taking this trade just to see if this candle can give us a move. If it does, then I'll hold on to it. I've reduced the quantity because I didn't want to take too much risk. Probably just take 10 points if it comes. The 5-minute candle is out, but the follow-up is not that great. Okay, it's at 438. I'm just looking for 10 points. 442 is my current exit. Another reason for this trade is that HDFC Bank has taken support from the VWAP in a larger time frame. If you see, it's taken a proper support from the VWAP and it is going up. So that is the majority of the contribution that Bank Nifty can get. So that's another reason. Let's see how this goes on. Currently holding the 250 quantity I have. This will be the last trade for the day. So since it's a Friday, I'm not comfortable holding on to trades for a longer period. Doesn't go to 442, I'll be happy to exit at 440 at least. See, since it's a very deep in the money strike with 0.75 delta, the decay can be faster. So just looking for 440. $438 seems possible. Let's see. I'm just waiting for the uptick to happen purely because of HDFC. All right, 438 is the exit that I've placed. Let's see if it triggers. Nope. It's being very stiff, the price movements. The price appreciation is very slow, but the price decay is very quick. And it's not giving me the confidence to hold on to it for a longer period. All right, 438 is hit. So that's it. I'm done for the day. Minus 2000. I wouldn't be taking any more trades because it's already won and the market is currently range bound. After the up move yesterday, it's formed an inverted head and shoulder. So unless it breaks this level, I wouldn't be taking a trade. So yeah, that's it. I'm done for the day. The market is breaking the day's high. That too after the support from the VWAP. The breakout is really good for now, but waiting for a small retrace to see if I can take an entry. I'm looking at 43,700. Is at 318 for now. The call rating has come down a little more, little bit. Last 30 minutes, if you see, the put rating for 43,700 and 43,900 both for covering. I'm looking at 43,800, but not as of now. The 5-minute candle is too bullish, and it is the fifth consecutive candle. We might get another red candle before it goes up, so I'll wait for that candle to take the entry. The breakout in Nifty is too good, and so is the one in Bank Nifty. Nifty is urging going towards the all-time high. Just waiting for a draw in Nifty. I've bought it at 115. Just look at the data in Nifty. The last 30 minutes, call writing at this has come down big time. So we have an intersection here. Seeing a drop in OI as well. Any dip in Nifty is a definitely a good buy. I'll be looking for that. The major push in Nifty is coming from all the sectors except TCS. The Bank Nifty has come down a little. We plan to take a trade in Bank Nifty. Taking it at 315. Taken more at 322. I'm thinking of reducing the quantity a little because it can come till the super trend and then go up. Just waiting. I've exited 500 quantity 315. I'll wait if it can make a dip, but I'll be more confident on the Nifty trade today. It's back to 320. I'm taking the position again, taking this as well. Second entry is 115 as my average in Nifty and this. Let's see if Bank Nifty can go higher, which will trigger Nifty as well. Just do not want this to fizzle out. I think it is fizzling out. Let me just wait for a second and see. It's $all at 317. Nifty, I'm adding in more positions. Added some at 110. My average is 113. This is back to 320. Got it at 320 and then I exited quickly. Taking this back at 323. Added more. I have 750 quantity of each. I'm confident of the Nifty trade. Just seeing if Bank Nifty can do 330 and above, that can give a good move. Bank Nifty is not moving, whereas Nifty is. Stuck at this 321 level for way too long. Previous entry is 323. Nope, it's not giving us the right move. I'm waiting on the Nifty. I'm more confident there. Let's see. We exited at 319, 318. If it crosses this 325 level, then I can enter again. I don't want to have too much risk right now. Nifty has clearly given a breakout. I'm confident on the Nifty trade more than the Bank Nifty. Even the Dow is up. HDFC Bank is 1% up. Reliance is almost 1% up. It's all indicating a move on the upside. So I'm just waiting to see when that happens. 18,800. There is a put writing that is happening there. The drop in OI here. See, this is not moving as I planned it to go. Breakout seems to be on the cards. I'm just waiting when. So Nifty looks more promising than Bank Nifty. You never know. It's just going 2 points here and there. Nifty has to cross 118 for it to go higher. In that case, I would mark an exit and then re-enter once I see an entry. That could be a good one. I've exited all at 115. I thought Bank Nifty would break out in a similar way. Let's see if it comes to super trend. I can take a small trade. We have an hour left for the market to close. And the Dow turned positive. Let's wait. My max loss for the day is 10,000. I wouldn't try to risk more than that. Sorry, I forgot to record this. I've taken the entries at 117 and 338 as an average just after this was breaking out. Short covering came out to be really good. Just holding on to it. Bank Nifty has also broken out with volume. Nifty on the other hand is going really well. Just waiting to see if HDFC is going to break the day's high. If it does do that, it's at the verge of doing that. The day's high is 1601. If it does that, then see a bigger move. Yeah, it just happened, and I'm just trailing this quantity for another 5-minute candle. My first exit was 350 and the next was 126. Nifty is almost at the all-time high. It's very close to it. Bank Nifty, I'll start trailing it. Exiting few more. Exiting few more in Nifty. I expected Bank Nifty to come till the super trend and then go up. I was waiting for that, but once it crossed the 320 level decisively, that's when I took an entry, but I got it at 336. But Nifty, I got it at a good price, 117, right at the breakout, right here. So the Nifty entry was pretty good compared to the Bank Nifty. I still have 250 and 125 quantity left. Just seeing if this can give us a move. Even HDFC has broken the day's high. Let's see if it makes a newer high today. My last exit in Bank Nifty was 373. I think I can exit this at 380 something. I've exited all at 379. I just have Nifty left with me. This is the move. Nifty has got a crazy move. They might start booking the profit since it's closer to the all-time high. I've exited this at 128. We're able to see a huge short covering happening. There's a huge short covering happening. Last 30 minutes. So is it Nifty? There's a good, very good long build up. So my buy trades first were 320 and then I've exited quickly. And then I took it at 117 and 338 as an average. I sold it in 126, 128 and 128. Bank Nifty is inching up even higher than expected. But I've got my day. I was in loss in the morning and then I was able to cover it up with this short covering move that came up. Yeah, so that's it. I'm calling it a day with 14,000 profit.